See how we doing that?
Look how you guys
Yeah.
Give it up.
Yeah. Here she comes.
How you doing? Superstar. Gene, somewhere.
They're at the bathrooms over here, but we can roam around a little, like these little areas. I like this. I'm gonna have to come out here some more.
This is what we do. The water's right. You'll see that back area where the cars is at.
Yeah.
There'll be a food truck back there, and then on the front, when you first come in the Greg Ranch, there's another parking area. And now they building the new soccer fields. All right.
Hey.
All right, Brandy. I told you I'll give you a chauffeur
Looking
ride
smooth
if you
right
kick it with me. If you kick it with me, man. Omega's got love too. Yes, sir. OG, I see you.
Looking smooth, yeah. Hey.
Now he coming in like it's supposed to be
on,
done, right? That's how it's supposed to be. So I should be charging people for a ride.
Take you over there.
Go. Is that Chicago on your ass? Oh my God. That's right, bro.
Yeah.
That was crazy. He said Skateway Park. That is right down the street hood. Both of them.
I got it.
One boulevard really across.
Yeah, right where you were at.
Yeah.
See how small that world became, huh?
And he just heard us talking about it.
Yeah.
I got to come and
You got radar though. Looking smooth. Look at that.
Man, you came in here with
Looking too sharp, man. What up, OG?
Blessings, family.
Yes, sir.
Blessings. Pulling up how you be going back in. Hard right. Backing on up. Ooh. They don't know. Boom.
Hey, we're here.
Exactly, right? Peace, man.